Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace camera and touch shortcut on the lock screen on iPhone. If you want to add anything or remove this, so let's get started. Unlock your iPhone and then open settings, click on to wallpaper, and then click on to customize, then showing it to this option. If you want to add anything, now I'm removing this, click on to minus option and then click on, and then showing it to more icon. If you want to add anything like add my Instagram, just click on to done. Now check, look here, add my Instagram. So that's it, that's how we can do it.